Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through step-by-step process on how to add YouTube video in Canva. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in www.canva.com. Now here you can see different template. You can just simply create a new blank template. Now here on the left side you can see different options. Click on apps. Now on the search bar type in embed. Now you'll get this embed option, click on it. And here if you click on this YouTube icon, it will just add a default Canva YouTube video into the screen. And if you want to add any other preferred videos, you can just copy that link and paste it here. I have already copied it, so I'm gonna paste it here. Now click on add to design. And here you can see that I have added this YouTube video into the Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.